Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I want to do a haul on Tiffany&Co China because I purchased some items for my birthday. I wanted something special that I know I would get a lot of good use out of, and I was also thinking about, I'm really homebody. I like to cook and eat at home, and I really wanted something special and upgrade my dinnerware. And what better way with Tiffany&Co. I have one plate here. This is a dessert plate or salad plate. I'm not sure what they call it, if it's dessert or salad. But anyways, this is one plate that I got. I got a whole set, but I don't feel like bringing the whole thing over here. I just got one piece of each. But yeah, I got the smaller plate, which has the Tiffany blue with the white, and I just found it to be like perfect for me, especially being a Pisces, March 7th. The yin and the yang, it just symbolizes Pisces and me and what I'm all about. Aquamarine stone is the birthstone for Pisces, so it's very similar to this Tiffany and blue, so it's just all around me. So I got this one. I also got the larger plate, which is over here, and I'm going to show you also the packaging, because the packaging is also very extravagant, luxurious, and really pretty as well, and I wanted to show that to you guys as well. I ordered sets of 2 of each. I ordered 2 plates of these smaller plates and the larger dinner plates. And this is how each plate, they didn't like put it all together. They put each plate in its own little box and wrapped it up and just made everything look really special like this. Just wrapped it up in bubble wrap, and it has, Tiffany&Co sticker here, and even the tissue paper says Tiffany&Co. Like, the attention to detail is extra. Like, you are really getting the whole luxurious treatment when you purchase, any type of dinnerware from Tiffany&Co. Even these little white stickers say Tiffany&Co. Everything just looks so pretty and elegant and special that, yeah, I am really impressed. So when I remove the tissue, this is the box, and it's beautifully wrapped. And then we're gonna unwrap it. And then this is how it looks. And they really, really wrap it really good. And this is the larger dinner plate. As you can see, this is the smaller one and the larger one. Beautiful, beautiful plate. I absolutely love it. And it's, fine china. It has, in the back, it says Tiffany&Co. And it has some letters. It says fine china made in Japan. This is what the back looks like. And yeah, the whole experience of purchasing this dinnerware from Tiffany has been really something new to me. I'm really used to purchasing my dinnerware at Target and, just getting a whole box set. And something like this, it's very luxurious, it's very different. This is a whole new experience for me. I really liked it. I really like how special it makes each item, just by putting it all in one box and just letting you feel special. It's really nice. This is my first time owning fine china like this, and I think I did a bit of research, and compared to a lot of other companies that sell fine china, Tiffany&Co tends to be a little bit more reasonable, and yeah, that's why I decided to go with them. I just find it to be just perfect all around. Now, I purchased the plates and I also purchased cups. I purchased the uh, teacup and saucer set. I purchased like two sets, this one and another one that I have in my kitchen. And I also purchased the set of the New York in Tiffany. Now this one, I had to order it over the phone because apparently that's the only way that you can get it if you're not in New York, because they only sell these cups apparently only in New York stores or boutiques. That's what I ended up doing, is just calling Tiffany&Co customer service and asking if they have this in stock, and they shipped it from New York to me. And yeah, and this has become my favorite coffee cup so far. I also ordered this other cup, and this is just a plain, like from the color block collection of the Tiffany&Co. And all of the Tiffany&Co fine china dinnerware has in the bottom Tiffany&Co, and it has the number and fine china and everything. What sparked my interest to look into Tiffany to buy my dinnerware was my two coffee cups or paper cups, fine china. Yeah, this sparked my interest. This I purchased about 2 years ago, maybe longer, probably like 3 years ago. I purchased this, and I've used this mainly for cold drinks. I don't really put hot drinks in this, even though it is, you know, fine china and you could also use it for hot drinks. I don't do that because it's not really practical. It gets pretty hot and I don't want to burn my hands if I'm grabbing it like this. So I feel more comfortable using just the regular coffee mugs like that, you know, because that way I don't, you know, I'm not burning my hand when I'm using it. But yeah, that was my Tiffany&Co haul. I've seen possibles and I'm interested in getting those as well. Now the cereal bowls, I'm not really interested in getting that because that I already have, and um, I don't know, maybe, but I'm not sure if I would get that. But everything else I really love. I'm really happy with my collection, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And also I'm gonna come back and do a review to let you guys know like my thoughts on fine china. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Bye.